eduze kwami uNomvula Mkwanya ngingakayi kude, you just look amazing.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Wow. Namhlanje sihlangene la iWorkers Day. Nizoqiniseka ubudlelwano benu, umbimbilweni lweminyaka neCOSATU. Kusho ukuthini kuwena ukuba la namhlanje?
Njengomunye wabasebenzi nomunye owayekhona ekubunjweni kweCOSATU, ngiyathokozisa ukuba khona la. Futhi ngithokozele nokuthi umbutho weAfrican National Congress ungithume ngizokwethula umlayezo ophuma kuAfrican National Congress.
Yes.
Ukuzenzela isimemezelo sokuthi ayiqine ialliance yethu, ayihlangane, asihlonipheneni, asazi ukuthi inkinga zethu seziningi, umzabalazo wethu usaqhubeka, uqhubekela phambili ukulungiselela ukuthi amalungelo wabasebenzi, inhlalakahle yabahlali, intuthuko yomnotho kanye nobuholi busisiza ukuthi sikwazi ukufikelela kule ntuthuko esithi izosinikeza iNational Democratic Society, lapho intuthuko iba yinto ezuzwa ubani nobani. Namhlanje sihlangene la abasebenzi bala eNingizimu Afrika baziqhanya ngokuthi nanoma singakwazanga ukuthola more than 40%, kodwa imithetho evikela amalungelo wabasebenzi isahlezi. Namhlanje sihlezi la umbuso waka-African National Congress uyangenelela kwinkinga zase-ArcelorMittal, kwinkinga zase-Hewlett. Lokho kukhombisa ukuthi i-ANC ngeke nje ize ibalahla abasebenzi, ngoba umzabalazo wentuthuko nenkululeko yaseNingizimu Afrika uyahambiselana nomzabalazo wabasebenzi wamalungelo nentuthuko yabo. Singakhohlwa labo abangasebenzi, kumele sisebenze sisonke ukuthi kuso sona isimo esifana nalesi sakha amathuba wemisebenzi for labo abanganawo kwamanje.
Asibheke kakhulu abasebenzi abasoqhubeka ba-exploitwa abaqashi. Yes, ikhona imithetho ebekiwe eSouth Africa ekuvela ukuthi iningi layo ayi-implementwa ngendlela. Yini mhlawumbe eniyenzayo njenganohulumeni ukwenza sure ukuthi wonke umthetho okhona uya-implementwa yonke indawo?
Esikudingayo sidinga ama-shop steward aqeqeshwe kahle, atrainiwe, ayaziwe umsebenzi wawo, ngoba if kuviolatewa lama-policy nemithetho kumele kube ne-shop steward emele i-union ezokwazi ukumela abasebenzi. Okwesibili, kumele siqinisekise ukuthi siba nama-inspectors, njengoba sibonile already manje ngaphansi komnyango wezemisebenzi uDeputy Minister ubaba uJomo Sibiya esebenza ehamba ezimbonini ezahlukile, esebenza nama-union ukuqinisekisa ukuthi amalungelo abasebenzi ezimbonini nawo ayavikela nalabo abagqilaza abasebenzi. The strength of defending the workers' rights depends on a strong shop steward.
Sesizophetha nje sisiNomvula, ake sibheke iSouth Africa right now ithanda ukubheka phezulu, baningi abantu abagcwele emgwaqeni, kunama-marshes, kunama-unrest enzakalayo, abantu bakhala ngabantu bokufika who are undocumented, whom they say most of them baficakala ey'nkampanini be-replace ama-South African because they can take below the minimum wage. Kuthini ukuphawula kwakho ngale?
Lokho kuyiqiniso ngempela. Kungakho manje kumele sisebenzisane sibe yingxenye. Umnyango wezemisebenzi, umphakathi, civil society kanye nabantu abahlali kumele sisebenzisane nama-union nawo wonke umuntu ukuthi thina singabahlali baseNingizimu Afrika okokuqala akungabi yithina esinikezela imizi yethu kulabantu abaphuma ngaphandle who are not even documented, abarana ama-spaza shop emizini yethu, abasukayo bayothatha nemisebenzi and be paid lesser. Yithina kungakho ke lo msebenzi oyenziwa umnyango wezemisebenzi oholelwe manje usekela uhlonishwa uJomo Sibiya, kumele kube umsebenzi ongenziwa nje i-Department ye-Labor. Abomasipala, ama-province kumele bawenze lo msebenzi. Lo obona utholakalayo akaboshwe njengoba sibonile uComrade uJomo ekwenza lokho. Kepha thina abahlali la asikungabi thina esinikezela abantu abaphuma ngaphandle who are illegal, who are foreigners abanganawo amaphepha wokubala kube yithina esibanikeza indawo zokucasha emizini yethu kube yithina esibadedela abathengisa ama-drugs emalokishini wethu basuka bephuma ngaphandle bavunyelwe yithina. Let's also deal with South Africans who are colluding with illegal immigrants. Government alone cannot do anything, but government working together with everyone must do that. Kumele siphume emigwaqweni manje siyosolva imizi, ama-charity, amabhilidi ezemboni lapho abantu abama-illegal immigrants bekhona. Our border management kumele isebenze. Nathi we must stop buying stolen goods. Nathi we must not rent out our homes. Nathi we must not allow them to run their spaza shops in our places. Nathi we must not allow to enter into fake marriages. Okuningi kudinga ukuthi kulungiswe yithina abahlali.
Umbuzo wokugcina ngicima singangaphakathi edolobheni. There's a lot of shops abantu bokufika ahlukahlukene. It could be Ethiopians, it could be Somalis and other ones. Ibisithi into umthetho wase South Africa uthi umuntu ozovula ishop eSouth Africa kumele invest something that is 5 million and above, for which most of those people they have invested an amount of such. Uthini umthetho, uthini uhulumeni?
Kumele umasipala ofana nalawo waseThekwini abe nawo ama-inspectors bakwazi ukuhamba isitoro nesitoro umgwaqo nomgwaqo to check on the papers. Futhi phezu kwalokho singababheki njengokuthi namhlanje siyenza operation asakhe amathuba emisebenzi and employ our graduates who are unemployed to monitor leitoro, to monitor amadolobha wethu and clean our database komasipala, know who occupies the place, because abanye babo babhalise amagama wethu thina abantu baseningizimu Afrika. So asazi ukuthi nathi masikwenza lokho sithuthukisa ubugebenga, sithuthukisa ukungalaleli kwalabantu, sibulala isizwe sakithi. So South Africans must behave and not allow themselves to be exploited. Our municipalities must enforce the bylaws. Our law enforcement authorities must do their work. But me and you, let's not harbor the drug lords. Let's not create sex dens in our houses. 3, akungabi thina esibabhatalisa i-protection fee to protect them.
Aseyasondela ama-elections izokwenza kanjani Khongolose?
Sizoya ebantwini. Amaphutha wethu sowalungisa. Izigwegwe zethu sizoziqondisa. Sizophumelela.
Banika abantu second chance.
Asifuni ne second chance, sifuna ukuqhubeka sisebenza nabantu.
Exactly.